Hi, I'm Ravindra Patil. I'm a founder and chief technology officer at OmniBRx Biotechnologies Private Limited. We are basically a bioprocess engineering company manufacturing single-use devices for bioprocessing using cell culture technologies. So maybe for production of vaccines, viral vectors, or stem cells and monoclonal antibodies, we have everything to offer to the biopharma industry. For me, it's been a first time in AMZ. I can see the innovation happening all across the corner. It's a great place to be here for the medical technologies innovation. They have indigenous capabilities of development, prototyping, and manufacturing as well. That's great to see here. I'm here particularly to attend the session or the in-house meeting which has been arranged by NBM-BIRAC on the specific needs and the requirements to decide on the frontiers of the medical technologies, and the meeting is going great. There are several transactions and the suggestions which are coming out of this meeting by stakeholders. Thank you so much.